Hi students, today also we will be doing problems on logarithms only. Hope you must have practiced all the problems we discussed in previous class. And of course, today what the problems we are going to do are from previous JEE questions, from previous JEE papers. Of course, you know logarithms is not a separate topic in our syllabus, but questions they are asking from this topic logarithms. Therefore, now only we will be covering all the problems which they have asked in previous papers. We will start. Look here, they have given three terms, log 2 to the base 3, log 2 power x minus 5 to the base 3 and log 2 power x minus 7 by 2 to the base 3 are in AP. That is, they have given three quantities which are in AP. Then I want value of x. Of course, you know that whenever three terms a comma b comma c are in AP, then second term minus first term is equal to third term minus second term, or that implies 2b is equal to a plus c. Yes, you know this one. In lower classes you studied this. Therefore, now it is of the form a comma b comma c are in AP. That implies 2 times of middle term, that is 2 into log 2 power x minus 5 to the base 3 is equal to log 2 to the base 3 plus log 2 power x minus 7 by 2 to the base 3. Observe this. Of the form a comma b comma c are in AP, whenever a b c are in AP means I can write second term minus first term equal to third term minus second term. That is nothing but 2b equal to a plus c. I have written that only. Here it is our b, 2b is equal to, it is a and it is c, a plus c. Now again it is of the form m log a. M log a can be written as log a power m to any base. That implies I can write log 2 power x minus 5 to the base 3 whole square is equal to, here it is base 3, here it is base 3, it is of the form log x plus log y to the same base. I can use log xy form. Therefore, it is log of 2 into 2 power x minus 7 by 2 to the base 3. Now, to the same base of the form log alpha equal to log beta implies alpha equal to beta. That is 2 power x minus 5 whole square is equal to 2 into 2 power x minus 7 by 2. For our convenience, here exponential function 2 power x, here also 2 power x is there, same function. I will take 2 power x is equal to some a. Now it will become a minus 5 whole square is equal to, I will multiply it 2a minus 7. Now I want value of a here, from that we can find value of x. A minus 5 whole square, a square minus 10a plus 25 equal to 2a minus 7, or a square minus 12a plus 32 equal to 0. 4 and 8 are the roots. A minus 4 into a minus 8 equal to 0. A equal to 4 or a equal to 8. But what is a we have taken? 2 power x. Therefore, 2 power x equal to 4 implies 2 square. Therefore, x equal to 2, or 2 power x equal to 8 means it is a 2 cube, that implies x is equal to 3. But because these are the logarithm functions, we need to check whether these two values are defined for these two values of x, whether these logarithms are defined or not, we need to check. Here there is no problem with this, here only x is there 2 power x, here also 2 power x is there. Suppose if I take 2 power x equal to 4 or x equal to 2, what will happen you see? Log 4 minus 5, log minus 1, logarithm of negative number is not defined, therefore it is not a solution. Even you need not check for that one, because at x equal to 2, it is not defined, therefore it is not the solution of that one. And I take x equal to 3, here 8 minus 5, yes, clearly defined. 3 means here also 8 minus 7 by 2 means less than 8, therefore it is also positive, it is also defined, therefore it is the solution for that one. It is rejected and it is the possible value of x here. Hope you understood this one. Only the point you must know, ABC or in AP implies 2b equal to a plus c. M log a can be written as log a power m, and to the same base means you can remove logarithms, and a power x 2 power x minus 5 whole square, no, I have taken 2 power x equal to a minus 5 whole square equal to 2a minus 7, expand it and a quadratic in terms of a. Find values of a, but of course a equal to 2 power x from that x values, and check what are the values which will satisfy given numbers. Where the given logarithm functions are defined. X equal to 2, it is not defined, therefore it is not our solution. X equal to 3, clearly these two numbers are defined, therefore that is our solution. Okay, we will move to the next problem. These are simple problems only. They are asking find the value of x power log y to the base a minus y power log x to the base a, and next this one, similar model problems. You see here, x power log y to the base a minus y power log x to the base a I want. Of course, we know already, we have derived x power log y to the base a, these two can be interchanged, is equal to y power log x to the base a. By using base change rule we did, or otherwise I will show you how this one. X power, here I am writing log y to the base x into log x to the base a minus y power log x to the base a. Now it is of the form x power mn, can be written as x power log y to the base x whole power log x to the base a minus y power log x to the base a. Now x power log y to the base x, it is equal to y only, since x power log y to the base x is equal to y only. Therefore, this value y power log x to the base a minus y power log x to the base a is equal to 0. So, if you remember this x power log y to the base a is y power log x to the, that is these two can be interchanged. This is by looking at the problem you can write the value, it is equal to 0. Yes, next one. 5 power root log 4 to the base 5 minus 4 power root log 5 to the base 4. Observe this. It is not direct of this form. Here it is root is there log 4 to the base 5. Here also root is there log 5 to the base 4. At the same time it is not equal to 4. Of course, this one and this one both are same only, but it is under root. If it is of this form, x power log y to the base x can be written as a y. But here 5 power root is there. Here also 4 power root, don't write it is equal to root of 4 and root of 5, it is wrong. So, let us handle this. I will take this term alone, 5 power log 4 to the base 5, it is root is there, can be written as 5 power log 4 to the base 5 by root of log 4 to the base. Observe, x root x can be written as x by root x. This is the point I have used. Root x is equal to x by root x m. Now x can be written as root x into root x, one root x cancel that root x. Now this can be written as 5 power log 4 to the base 5 whole power 1 by root of log 4 to the base 5 I can write. It is of the form a power m whole power 1 by n, a power m whole power 1 by n I wrote. Now again, it is 5, therefore this value equal to 4 power log 4 to the base 5, 1 by log 5 to the base 4 and it will come to numerator 4 power root of log 5 to the base 4 I can write. See this one, important model. Therefore, value of this first term is there, no, 5 power root of log 4 to the base 5 is equal to 4 power root of log 5 to the base 4. That is the second term. Hence, this value is now 4 power root of log 5 to the base 4 minus that term only 4 power root of log 5 to the base 4 is equal to, both are equal to 0. That's it. Previous entrance question. Let us see this. Log 9 to the base 2 whole square whole power 1 by log of log 9 to the base 2 to the base 2 multiplied by root 7 whole power 1 by log 7 to the base 4. Good problem. First you try this one. 2-3 minutes you try it, then start watching the video. Right. Observe this. What I will do here? It is 1 by log of, for this logarithm it is the number like log a to the base b. 1 by log a to the base b can be written as numerator log b to the base a. Therefore, that I will do. I will not do anything here. It is equal to log 9 to the base 2 whole square whole power. It is log of 2 to the base log 9 to the base 2. Here what is, I will do this one after completing simplification of this one. Wait here, let me simplify this. Here what I did, log a to the base b is equal to 1 by log b to the base, or 1 by log b to the base a equal to log a to the base, that I have written here. 1 by log b to the base a is equal to log a to the base b. Of course, base here for this log 9 to the base 2. Should be very careful. Log 9 to the base 2 not equal to 1 and it is positive. Clearly this base, with this base, this logarithm is defined. Now, it is of the form a power m whole power n. A power m whole power n is a power mn. Observe this. I will handle this one after completing this. See this. It is equal to log 9 to the base 2 whole power a power m whole power n 2 into log 2 to the base log 9 to the base 2. Again, it is of the form m log a. M log a can be written as log a power m. This 2 will come here. It is equal to log 9 to the base 2 whole power log 2 square to the base log 9 to the base 2. Now, almost simplification over for this one. Observe. Log 9 to the base 2, some a if you take, this base also a only. It is of the form a power log x to the base a. a power log x to the base a is x only. That previous problem also we did. A power log x to the base a is equal to x. Because it is log 9 to the base 2, it is this base of this logarithm also log 9 to the base 2, it is of the form a power log x to the base a. Therefore, it is equal to 2 square 4. Hope you understood this simplification. Let me take second term simplification and I will multiply both. Again it is a root 7 whole power, no, I will write here also it is 7 power 1 by 2 whole power. This property, same property I will use. 1 by log b to the base a equal to log a to the base b. It is log 4 to the base 7. Now it is of the form a power m whole power n. A power mn. It is equal to 7 power 1 by 2 into log 4 to the base 7. Now this 1 by 2 will come here because it is of the form m log a power m. It is equal to 7 power log 4 power 1 by 2 to the base 7. Now here it is 7, here it is 7, it is equal to 4 power 1 by 2 is equal to 2. It is of this form only. A power log x to the base a equal to x. See, many times we are using this in logarithms. Therefore, first term value 4, second term value 2. I want multiplication of this. So, what is the answer here? 4 into 2 is equal to 8 will be the answer. Hope you understood this one, simple one only. But previous entrance question. Right, other one, value of 2 power log 18 to the base 6 into 3 power log 3 to the base 6. First you try it by your own, after that you see the solution. Okay, I will do this. It is 2 power, first observe, here it is 2, it is 6, you cannot write any simplification directly, therefore I am writing it as 2 power log 18 is there, can be written as 6 into 3 to the base 6 into 3 power, as it is only, it is log 3 to the base 6. It is equal to 2 power, it is of the form log ab to the base b, log a plus log b. It is log 6 to the base 6 plus log 3 to the base 6 into 3 power log 3 to the base 6. I cannot do anything here, as it is only written. Now, it is equal to 2 power log 6 to the base 6, 1 plus log 3 to the base 6 into 3 power log 3 to the base 6. It is a power m plus n, a power m into a power n. It is equal to 2 into 2 power log 3 to the base 6 into 3 power log 3 to the base 6. Now, log 3 to the base 6, here also log 3 to the base 6. It is of the form a power m into b power m, it is ab whole power m. Same only, a power m, b power m, ab whole power m. It is equal to 2 into, what is ab? 2 into 3 whole power log 3 to the base 6. It is equal to 2 into 6 power log 3 to the base 6. Yes, it is of the form a power log x to the base a. A power log x to the base a is equal to x only. Therefore, it is equal to 2 into 3 equal to 6 will be the answer. Observe this problem, previous JEE question. 6 plus log base 3 by 2, number is 1 by 3 root 2 into root of 4 minus 1 by 3 root 2 into root of 4 minus 1 by 3 root 2 into root of 4 minus and so on, infinite terms are there. We will see one thing, observe this, first we will simplify this one, then I will calculate this value. Expression 1 by 3 root 2 into root of 4 minus 1 by 3 root 2 into root of 4 minus 1 by 3 root 2 into root of 4 minus and so on, infinite terms are there. Observe this, observe this. This type of problems already we have seen. Suppose an expression is of the form find the value of root x plus root x plus root x plus and so on, infinite number of terms are there. How to calculate this? I will take let y equal to this. Whenever infinite terms are there means if you leave this first one, again from here also infinitely many number of terms will be there. This value is again same as this y only. It is equal to root of x plus y. We did one problem recently also. Find the value of root of 6 plus root of 6 plus root of 6 plus and so on we did. What we have taken x equal to I have taken. Therefore, x is equal to root of 6 plus x only I wrote. Because from here onwards again root of 6 plus root of 6 plus root of 6 and so on infinite terms. Therefore, it is equal to x plus root of 6 plus x. To find value of this one, squaring on both sides, x square equal to x plus 6 or x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. It is x minus 3 into x plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, here x equal to 3, x equal to minus 2 we got. But of course, it is square root of and so on positive real number. It cannot be negative, therefore, x not equal to minus 2, x equal to 3. We handled this one. Now, in the same way, observe this. 1 by 3 root 2. Root of 4 minus 1 by 3 root 2, root of 4 minus 1 by 3 root 2 and so I will take here x equal to this one. If I take 1 by 3 root 2 into root of 4 minus of, again from 1 by 3 root 2 root of and so on will be same as this one only. Therefore, this can be written as 1 by 3 root 2 into root of 4 minus of remaining term complete x only. From here onwards. Therefore, now to find value of x here, what I will do? Square it and cross multiply. 9 to the 18 x square is equal to 4 minus x. Hope you can understand this one. Cross multiplication and squaring. 9 to the 18 into x square equal to 4 minus x. 18 x square plus x minus 4. Factors I want 18 into 4, 9 into 2 into 4, 9 and 8. 18x square plus 9x minus 8x minus 4. 9x into 2x plus 1. Minus 4 into 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, values x minus 1 by 2, x equal to 4 by 9. Because 1 by 3 root 2 into square root of means positive into root of means positive, it should be positive, it cannot be negative. Therefore, it is not equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore, x value must be 4 by 9. That is complete, this simplification is 4 by 9. Now, I will substitute here 6 plus log of, what is the value of this complete 4 by 9 to the base 3 by 2. Now, this simplification I want. Here it is 3 by 2. This is 4 by 9 can be written as 2 by 3 whole square. But as a base 3 by 2 means this one also in terms of 3 by 2 I will write. It is equal to 6 plus log of 3 by 2 whole power minus 2 I will write to the base 3 by 2. Here it is 9 by 4 whole power minus 1. That is nothing but 4 by 9 only. I can write this one. Hope you can understand this one. It is equal to 6 of the form log a power m to the base a, m into log a to the base a. Minus 2 into log 3 by 2 to the base 3 by 2. It is equal to 6 minus 2 into 1. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4 will be the answer. So, what I did, it is an infinite, series. First you simplify this. How to simplify? I have taken separately 1 by 3 root 2 into root of 4 minus 1 by 3 root 2 into root of 4 minus 1 by 3 root 2 into root of 4 minus. Already we have seen these type of problems when it is an infinite series. Root of 6 plus root of 6 plus root of 6 and so on infinite. Leave first one, again it is infinite terms. Therefore, it is same as this x only, x equal to root of 6 plus x, squaring on both sides, and possible value of x I have taken here. In the same way, if I leave 1 by 3 root 2 into root of 4 minus, again this one, same because infinite terms are there, I can treat this one as our complete series, that is equal to x only. Now, simplification of x, this you know, squaring and cross multiplication x value, because it should be positive, negative value rejected, x equal to 4 by 9, and if you take that 4 by 9 and this simplification is only, value is 4. Next one, a simple problem only. If x comma y comma z are 3 consecutive natural numbers, then log of 1 plus product of these two x into z in terms of that third number is there no by in terms of log of, I mean that third number, log y option 1, half log y, third option 2 log y, fourth option none of this they are asked. Simple one only. We have to write 1 plus xz in terms of y. X comma y comma z are given 3 consecutive natural numbers. See here what I will do. Suppose if I take this y is equal to small a, where small a is a natural number. Because these 3 are consecutive, z will become a plus 1 and x will become a minus 1. Suppose a equal to 5, I mean y equal to 5 if you take a equal to 5, 5 minus 1 4, 5 plus 1 6, 4 comma 5 comma 6. Suppose if I take it is equal to 10, 10 means it is a 10 minus 1, 10 plus 1, all these 3 are consecutive. Therefore, it is my x, it is y, it is z. Now, I will take log of 1 plus xz. Why I have taken in this way you can understand now. It is equal to log of 1 plus x is a minus 1, z is a plus 1. Is equal to log of 1 plus a square minus 1, a minus b into a plus b, 1 1 cancel. Array, it is log a square. Log a square is nothing but 2 log a completed. What is a? A is y only. It is equal to 2 log y. That's all. 2 log y means which option correct? Third option correct. That's all. Alright. Look here. Simple previous JE problem. But of course, multi-correct, more than one correct answer. 3 power x equal to 4 power x minus 1, then x equal to. See, 3 power x equal to 4 power x minus 1, you see options, all in terms of log 2 to the base 3 are there. Take logarithm to the base 2. Because log 3 to the base 2, log 2 to the base 3 is there. Log 3 power x to the base 2 equal to log 4 power x minus 1 to the base 2. Hope you understood this. I am taking logarithms on both sides to the base 2. Log a power m, x will come here. X log 3 to the base 2 is equal to x minus 1 log 4 to the base 2. What is log 4 to the base 2? This value is 2 only. Therefore, x into log 3 to the base 2 equal to x minus 1 into 2. I want x value. Therefore, here it is a 2x. It is x log 3 to the base 2 is equal to 2x minus 2. I will take this x log 3 to the base 2 and x common. x into 2 minus log 3 to the base 2 is equal to 2, or x is equal to 2 by 2 minus log 3 to the base 2. Hope you understood this one. I have taken this x that side and this minus 2 that. 2x means x into 2 minus log 3 to the base 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, x value is options you see, is it there? Yes, 2 by 2 minus log 3 to the base 2. But do not conclude that that is only the answer, you check it. Now, observe this, here it is log 3 to the base 2. Whereas in this option log 2 to the base 3 is there, you check it once. I will write log 3 to the base 2 as 1 by log 2 to the base 3. Therefore, this can also be written as 2 by 2 minus 1 by log 2 to the base 3. What is the LCM log 2 to the base 3? This comes to numerator. It is equal to 2 log 2 to the base 3 by 2 log 2 to the base 3 minus 1. Yes, it is the first answer. It is there. Now, observe this third one. Here base 4 is there. I have taken this one. X is equal to 2 by 2 minus log 3 to the base 2. What I will do here? 2 by 2 minus, I will do one thing. Here it is a 2 into log 3 to the base 2 square I can write. Log a power m to the base b power m is m by n, 1 by 2, this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. Now divide numerator and denominator with the 2, it is equal to 1 by 1 minus log 3 to the base 4, even this also correct. Now fourth you see, if you divide it with log 3 to the base 2, it is 2 by 2 minus log 2 to the base 3. That value is 2 by 2 minus log 3 to the base 2. It is not log 2 to the base 3. Therefore, this is wrong. First, second and third options are correct. Simple one only, but you need to check other options because it is in the form log 3 to the base 2. It is log 2 to the base 3 is there and it is log 3 to the base 4 is there. Because it is correct, it is 2 by 2 minus log 2 to the base 3, it is wrong. Therefore, I can reject this option. This is correct and you need to verify for these two also. Here it is log 2 to the base 3. So, log 3 to the base 2 is there, no. Write it as 1 by log 2 to the base 3 and this one make that base is equal to 4 and verify whether other options correct or not. You should be very careful while attempting more than one correct answers. See this. This is previous JEE question, important model. Given x naught comma y naught be the solutions of this equation. 2x whole power log 2 equal to 3y whole power log 3. 3 power log x is equal to 2 power log y, then x naught. X naught and y naught are the solutions of these, they are asking x naught. So, what we need to do here? We need to eliminate y from these equations, we will get x value. That x is nothing but x naught we need to find. How to eliminate logarithms? Y use. Take logarithms for this equation and take logarithms for this equation and eliminate y. Here you observe base not given means understood that base of these logarithms are same. Right. Take logarithms. Log 2x whole power log 2 is equal to log 3y whole power log 3. Now, it is of the form log a power m. Of course, base of this logarithm and this logarithm both are same only, it is understood. Therefore, this log 2 will come here, this log 3 will come here, this term log 2 into log 2x is equal to log 3 into log 3y. Come to this one. Again take logarithms. Log 3 power log x is equal to log 2 power log y. Log a power m, this can be written as log x into log 3 is equal to log y into log 2. Can I write log y value here? Yes, I can write it is log y. That implies from here log y is equal to log 3 by log 2 into log x. Right. Now observe here. Wherever this log y is there, that log y value you substitute in this. Here in terms of x constant it is. Therefore, see this. I will bring this side. Log 2 by log 3 into log 2x is equal to log 3 plus log y. Yes. It is log 2 by log 3. Of course, log 2x also I will write it as log 2 plus log x is equal to log 3 plus log y. Yes, it is log 3 by log 2 into log x. Hope you understood. Just this log AB form, log A plus log B I wrote. And this log y value I am substituting from here. What I will do? I will take log 3 outside and log 2 LCM. It is log 3 by log 2 into log 2 plus log x. Please observe this step. LCM log 2. Log 3 I have taken outside. Therefore, log 2 plus log x will be there and left hand side this. Now, from these two terms, log x plus log 2 is common. I will bring this side and I will take that term common. Do not cancel this log 2 plus log x on both sides. If you cancel this, what you will get? Log 2 by log 3 equal to log 3 by log 2, which is wrong. Therefore, bring that side and take log x plus log 2 common into log 2 by log 3 minus log 3 by log 2 is equal to 0. Anyhow, this part not equal to 0, therefore, it must be equal to 0. That is log x plus log 2 equal to 0. Therefore, I can write log 2x equal to 0. Log 2x equal to 0 means 2x is equal to 1. 2x is equal to 1 means x equal to 1 by 2 is the answer. Therefore, it is the value of x. X equal to 1 by 2 means here this is the solution. Hope you understood. So, what I did? X naught comma y naught be the solutions of this equation given. These two are the equations. Then x naught means x value from this. Therefore, what I did? I have eliminated y from these two equations. I have taken logarithms and I have taken logarithm simplification. Alright, is another simple problem this one. Find the value of x for which log base x, log of root 2 plus root 8 to the base 18 equal to 1 by 3. It is log base x into log of root 2 plus 2 root 2 only it is to the base 18 equal to 1 by 3. Root 8 equal to 2 root 2 only. It is log base x into log of 2 root 2 plus root 2 is 3 root 2 and this 18 I will write in terms of 3 root 2 as 3 root 2 whole square only 9 into 2 it is equal to 1 by 3. Now 3 root 2 whole power 1 to the base 3 root 2 whole power 2 means this value equal to 1 by 2 into 1. Therefore, it is log of 1 by 2 to the base x is equal to 1 by 3. That implies it is of the form log x to the base a equal to n. 1 by 2 is equal to x power 1 by 3. Now cubing on both sides, 1 by 2 whole cube is equal to x, or that implies x is equal to 1 by 8 will be the answer. Simple problem. Here given 3 power x is equal to 0.3 whole power n equal y equal to 1000, then find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. Yes, look here. 3 power x equal to 1000 means 10 cube. Take logarithm to the base 10. Log 3 power x to the base 10 is equal to log 10 cube to the base 10, or that implies x into log 3 to the base 10 is equal to 3. Next, 0.3 whole power y is equal to 10 cube. Take logarithm to the base 10. Log 0.3 whole power y to the base 10 is equal to log 10 cube to the base 10. Therefore, here it is y log 0.3 to the base 10 is equal to 3. Now, you see here log 3 to the base 10 I know. Here also I will try to write in terms of 3. It is y into log 3 by 10 to the base 10 is equal to 3. Therefore, it is y into log a by b log 3 to the base 10 minus log 10 to the base 10 1 is equal to 3. Therefore, observe this, log 3 to the base 10 equal to 3 by x, and here log 3 to the base 10 minus 1 is equal to 3 by y. Or log 3 to the base 10 is equal to 1 plus 3 by y. Both are log 3 to the base 10 only. It is 3 by x is equal to 3 by y plus 1, or 3 by x minus 3 by y is equal to 1, implies 1 by x minus 1 by y equal to 1 by 3 will be the answer. Take these two and logarithms on both sides, and take these two and logarithms on both sides, and simplify this. These are the three equations: log x to the base 2 plus log y to the base 4 plus log z to the base 4 equal to 2. Second, third, they are asking x comma y comma z values. Important model. Observe this. Log x to the base 2 plus log y to the base 4 log z to the base 4 equal to 2. Here it is 4, whereas here it is 2. If that is also 4 means I would have taken log a plus log b plus log c equal to log abc form. I will make that base 4. How I can write that one, you see? I will write log x square to the base 2 square 4. Can I write? Yes. Here it is a 2 by 2. Here 2 square means 2 by 2. Plus log y to the base 4 plus log z to the base 4 is equal to 2. Now, because base is same, this equation can be written as log of x square yz to the base 4 equal to 2 implies x square yz equal to 4 square equal to 16. Therefore, x square yz equal to 16 is equation 1. Hope you understood that. Now, similarly coming to second, here base 3, here base 9, here base 9. Here also I will make this base 9. What I will do here? Log y square to the base 3 square plus log z to the base 9 plus log x to the base 9 is equal to 2. Nothing I did, you see. Just value of this is 2 by 2. It is of the form log a power m to the base b power n. M by n into log a to the base b only. that is 2 and 2 will get cancelled, log y to the base 3 only. That log y to the base 3 because other two logarithms have base 9, therefore I am making this base also 9 by squaring this number and base. Now, because the bases are same, it is equal to log x y square z to the base 9 is equal to 2 implies x y square z is equal to 9 square 81. It is equation 2. You know this log x y square z to the base 9 equal to 2 means x y square z equal to 9 square equal to 81. Now coming to this. Similarly, I can write here also it is log z square to the base 16 plus log x to the base 16 plus log y to the base 16 is equal to 2 implies it is log of x y z square to the base 16 is equal to 2 implies x y z square is equal to 16 square 256. Let it be there. Observe this. Here x square yz equal to 16. Yes. X y square z equal to 81. X y z square equal to 256. From these three equations, I want x comma y comma z. Look here. This is other important point to find x comma y comma z. What I will do is, here x square yz, x y square z, x y z square is there. If I multiply these three terms, x square x, x power 4, y square y power 4, z square z power 4. Left hand side all x power 4, y power 4, z power 4 I will get, and I will simplify right hand side. So what I will do, I will take multiplication of 1, 2 and 3. I am writing x, y, z whole power 4. I have explained. I am not writing again first term and to second term and to third one. Right. X, y, z whole power 4 is equal to what? This is 16 into 81 into 256. As power 4 I will write. See here. It is a 2 power 4, 81 is 3 power 4, 256 is 4 power 4. Therefore, it is equal to 2 into 3 into 4, 24 whole power 4, what it is x, y, z whole power 4. That implies x, y, z is equal to 24 equation 4. Now, I need x comma y comma z from these 4 equations. Now, see, equation 1 x square yz is there, equation 4 x yz is there. Either you substitute this value there or divide 1 by 4. You will get x value directly. Therefore, what I will do is see, 1 by 4. X square yz by xyz is equal to, it is 16 by it is 24. Xyz cancel, that implies x is equal to 8 2 times, 8 3 times. This is what value of x. For y, 2 by 4 or xyz value 24, no, that value if you substitute here 24 into only, that I will do here. It is 24 into y is equal to 81, y equal to 81 by 24 is equal to 3 27s, 3 8 times 27 by 8. Next, from 3 and 4, third equation xyz into z I can write xyz equal to 24. 24 into z is equal to 256, z is equal to 256 by 24, 32 by 3. Therefore, x, y, z values, x equal to 2 by 3 and y is equal to 27 by 8 and z is equal to, what is the value? 32 by 3. These are the values. First 3 equations I got. From these 3 equations, again I multiplied one more equation, I got it, x, y, z value, and then x value separately, y value separately, z value separately. From these 4 equations I found it. Hope you understood this one. Different problem, but very important for entrance exams. In previous lecture we did problems on logarithms only, but of course those are simple problems. And in today's lecture also we did problems on logarithms only, but today's problems are previous entrance exam questions which are bit difficult questions. Okay, please go through these problems very slowly. What you do, you take one by one problem and you first practice by your own. Then you go through the solution. Definitely you will get, idea about all these problems. In today's lecture, whatever the problems we discuss, these are very, very, very important problems. Please write your notes of all these problems. Again, practice 1 or 2 times. Then you can understand all these problems in a better way. Okay. In the next class, we will start with a new topic. Till then, take care. All the best. Thank you.